Match fixing is once again making headlines in Italy, and once again, the story does involve Juventus, although this time, it's one of their opponents who has landed themselves in trouble, rather than the Bianconeri. The Serie A champions ran out 2-0 winners over the Verona outfit yesterday, but the game was drawn into controversy when Flying Donkeys defender Fabrizio Cacciatore made a handcuff gesture with his hands, indicating the match was fixed, resulting in the Chievo player being sent off. Chievo were already a man down before Cacciatore's actions saw them reduced to 9, and the 31-year-old has now apologized for his unprofessional conduct with a post on his official Instagram account. Cacciatore said in his statement, "I apologize publicly for the gesture I made, it was an enormous error. I apologize to my teammates, the coach, the club, our fans and all lovers of football. It was certainly wrong, something that shouldn't be done, an example that a professional should not set. I'm sorry that I left my teammates in a difficult situation, as they were fighting hard from the first to the last minute. It was an impulsive letting out of steam, and, as is only right, I paid a heavy price for it. Sorry." Juventus have of course been heavily involved in past match-fixing scandals, with the 2006 Calciopoli scandal seeing the Bianconeri stripped of 2 Serie A titles and relegated to Serie B, which resulted in the likes of Lilian Thuram, Zlatan Ibrahimovic and Gianluca Zambrotta leaving the club.